too far away. Hope it's not too far away. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Welcome to this Louis Vuitton Triple unboxing. And if you're new here and you like videos like this, unboxing videos, lifestyle videos, vlogs, and luxury unboxing, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So without further ado, let's get into this Louis Vuitton Triple unboxing. Hey citizens, so welcome back to Life with Sid. Back with an unboxing, a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Yes, your girl just can't stay away from Louis. I don't know what it is, but it's been calling me, and I'm here for it for 2021. Alright guys, let's get into this Louis Vuitton triple unboxing. Yes, it's 3 small items, but it is a triple unboxing. Let's get it started. One package came in the mail. I already had a little sneak peek. This is from my daughter Ty, so I already ripped it off and peeked inside already. So you already know how it goes. Here's the box. You know how Louis Vuitton do their branding. Box, and has the receipt inside. And another little box to add to my collection over here. And it always comes with, you know, your paperwork, your receipt. And this is the Monogram Heritage Mini Monogram Bracelet to add to my collection, to add to my stack. I'll link some videos up here, so if y'all want to watch when I unbox these Louis Vuitton monogram bracelets. I love them. I'm like a little addicted to them. So I told Ty I wanted another one, and she bought me one. So let's get it open and see how it looks. I seen it online. It looks super cute, and the ribbons inside the box. It always comes with a little cute little dust bag. You can use these for like little coin purses. Or something if you want to put in your bag. I don't know. Put them to use. And it always comes with the little code. You know, the little code right here has like, I guess it's like the serial number, and it's just the Heritage Mini in a size 17. What else it come with? Oh, the other little text card. And look, it is so cute and
Can you see that?
I just want to get it. And it's a monogram. See if the camera can pick it up. There we go. It's so cute. I like the little hardware. And it's a monogram. Let me see. It's super, super cute. I will be adding this to my stack. One has a little button to clasp it. And let's see how it look. I love when you first get them because the hardware is so shiny. It starts getting dull after a while. I need to figure out what I can use to clean it. Oh, it looks so, so cute together. I love it. I'm definitely have to do a close-up for you guys. I'm gonna do like a close-up video once I finish this unboxing, because you can't really see it. So I'll do a different angle so you guys can get a really good look. Thank you, Ty. It's super cute. I love it. You can't have enough of these monogram bracelets. Stack them up, stack them up, stack them up. And this was an in-store pickup. Me and Babe went and we picked up a few items. So here's the receipt. Nobody cares about that. Receipt, and one of them I did open, but at least I still have the ribbon. I don't know, just collecting these ribbons. And this is the super cute headband. It was sold out for a while, and yeah, I got lucky. Oh, excuse me. Oh, tickle my throat. But this headband is so cute. I'm gonna link it below just in case they came back in stock. But I like it has like the stretchy on the back. I'm not gonna put it on now because I just slicked down my ponytail, child, and that's a whole nother video. But it has the super stretchy in the back and the monogram all over it. I freaking love it. I will definitely be wearing this tomorrow probably, but I'm not gonna do it today. But look how freaking cute this is. I'm gonna link another picture right here so y'all can see it online. But it's like come in one size. It's not even like sizes or anything. But every time I went to go get it, it kept saying like, click here for notification, click here for notification. So I went in the store and it was one available in the company when I went, and my SA ordered it, and here it is. And this is my second time trying to get it. I tried to get it early summer last year, and I ordered it. They put the order through, but then the order got canceled and I got refunded my money. But this time it went through, and I'm so excited. How super cute is this? It is like really cute, and it's like silk. Is it silk or satin? Let's see if it tell you on here. It's made in Paris, and it is dry clean only. No, I don't know this material. Whatever. It's super cute. I love it. LVs. Yeah, this is gonna be so cute. So it's like wear it like that. I don't know if y'all can tell. Alright, so put that over there. And then I'm super excited for this last one. Still has the bow on it. I don't know how to get these bows so look so cute. Here it is. Last but not least, I got, told you it was all small items, the gold Louis Vuitton hoops. I only got them in this plastic. How cute, guys. I know y'all probably never hardly ever see me in hoops, but when I seen these, I said I have to have them. How cute, right? Super cute. I'm actually going to put these on today. I'm going to put these on, and then I'll let y'all see how they look. Stay right there. I might as well just keep recording. I'm going to change out my studs. And I love my studs. I hardly ever change out my studs once in a while. I have my little mirror right here. And I'm going to put these on. Only thing about these, my ears are very sensitive, so I was I'm very nervous that, you know, with costume jewelry, that, you know, the amount of money I spent on these, that I won't be able to wear them all day. So I'm definitely going to put them to the test today and see how they do. They are big. They don't look this big in the picture, but they're pretty big. So if you don't like big hoops, these will not be for you. But I have bigger hoops than this that I wear sometimes. So But I wear my diamond studs all the time. I love my diamond studs. Oh, these look cute. Even with my little slick back ponytail. What y'all think? You like? Let me do a zoom in a little bit. Let me get a little bit close. So do you like? I hope you like them. Could you see them? They're not too heavy either. So if you're worried about if they look heavy, they're not heavy at all. So, but like I said, I'll give you guys an update if you have like sensitive ears where costume jewelry bothers you a little bit. Because I know it bothers me a little bit, but I'm going to see. And if it don't work out, then I will probably just pass them down to my daughter if she like them. But I think they're super cute. It reminds me of like name earrings from back in the day. I think I got it. Okay, guys, that is it for this Louis Vuitton Triple unboxing. Thank you for watching. And for those who are new here, you know what to do. Become an official citizen. Hit that subscribe button and bell notification so every time your girl upload a video, you can what? You can be notified. Until next time, sis, signing off. Peace.